see here, there are 4,500 grafts implanted. As I told you in the morning, you will keep this as a proof with you. And here are all the instructions written about what you can or cannot do after the surgery. So you can read it in your place every time. Because I need to explain you primary things, which are the medications. So we have here this one, amoclavin. This one is your antibiotic, but I will write the normal name of it. That's your antibiotic. So starting from tomorrow morning, we want you to use this every 12 hours once.
Okay.
Yeah, after meal, after you eat something, twice a day. And there are 10 tablets in it, and you need to finish it.
Okay.
And here is Prednol. These are the pills to prevent your swellings.
Okay.
We injected the liquid in your head, so Prednol will stop these swellings in like 4 or 5 days approximately. And to stop the swellings, you need to also drink as much as water as you can and pee so much. This will also affect the swellings go away faster. How to use it is very simple. Starting from tomorrow, tomorrow is the first day. You use 3 pills after meal, breakfast, lunch and dinner. And the other day you use 2 pills, breakfast and dinner. And the last day you will use 1 pill. So it goes like 3, 2, 1. Yes. And here is parole. This one is your painkiller. You can also start to use it tonight if you feel any pain, because you're still under anesthetic, so you may not feel anything. And this will also make you sleep better, so it's better to use 1 pill before you go to sleep, and you can sleep well. But although, by the way, we want you to sleep as much as you can in a sitting position, because if you sleep normal, you may hit your head in the first night. It's very important. So for the next 3 or 4 days, you need to sleep in a sitting position, which will be uncomfortable, but it will work. You will have very good results. And here in Paraspin, this one is your blood thinner, but you will not use this product until the first day wash. We will make your first day wash on Monday and take out your bandages. And then doctor will decide when to start using. So also these products are for the hair washing process. I will also put it here, not to make any confusion. Also, this is the foam in your shampoo. We will also explain you in the hair washing.
So when I come on Monday, should I bring this?
Yeah, bring these 2 products, please. And as they did during the surgery, sorry, one moment. I will myself. So this is here, Nanzidin. These medicines and also anesthetics can cause some side effects, which is like gas problems in your stomach, maybe you cannot go to the toilet. If you have some problem like this, you can use 1 pill after meal, and this will solve the problem. And one last thing about parole, you can take 4 hours once, maximum. If you take 1 now, painkiller, you need to wait for 4 hours to take the second. And as they did during the surgery, we want you to use this spray, which has the saline water inside, and spray all over your head, like every 2 hours, every 3 hours once. You need to keep this area moist, only the implanted area. And when it's finished, you can add some drinking water inside and continue on using it until the 10 days. 10 days? Yeah, 10 days. This will be your best friend. And these are hair upload masks we give you as a gift. And here is your neck pillow. You need to use it for 5 days and 5 nights. This will protect you from hitting your head somewhere. And when you're wearing it, please not like that. Wear it from the side. Yeah, that's all. And you also have my personal phone number. You can text or call me for any questions anytime. Don't think like you will disturb me. I will also send this to you as a PDF on your phone, so I think you already did. Okay.